Our bodies are incredible machines. They are constantly working to keep us healthy and functioning. One of the ways our bodies do this is through a process called autophagy. Autophagy is like a cellular recycling system. It's how our cells clean up waste and repair themselves. Think of it like this. Imagine your cells have a garbage disposal. When old or damaged parts of the cell need to be removed, they are broken down and recycled. This process helps to keep our cells healthy and functioning properly. Autophagy is a natural process that happens all the time in our bodies. It's essential for our overall health and well-being. When autophagy is working properly, it helps to protect us from disease and keep us feeling our best. Autophagy is a fascinating and complex process, but it's essential for understanding how our bodies stay healthy. In the next section, we'll explore why this cellular cleaning process is so important. Why is autophagy so important? Because our cells are constantly under attack. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our cells are bombarded with toxins and stressors that can damage them. This damage can lead to various health problems, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Autophagy acts like our body's own internal cleaning crew. It helps to remove these damaged cells and debris, preventing them from accumulating and causing further harm. This process is especially important as we age, as our cells become less efficient at repairing themselves. But autophagy doesn't just clean up the mess, it also helps our bodies adapt to stress. When we're faced with challenges like starvation or infection, autophagy kicks into high gear, providing our cells with the energy and resources they need to survive. In essence, autophagy is a critical survival mechanism that allows our bodies to withstand and recover from various stresses. It's a testament to the incredible design of our bodies and their ability to maintain balance and health, even in challenging conditions. The benefits of autophagy extend far beyond simple cellular housekeeping. Research suggests that this process plays a role in a wide range of health benefits, including anti-aging. By removing damaged cells and promoting cellular renewal, autophagy may help to slow down the aging process and promote longevity. Disease prevention. Autophagy helps to protect against a variety of diseases, including cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. Immune support. By removing pathogens and strengthening our immune cells, autophagy plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and fighting off infections. Brain health. Autophagy is essential for maintaining the health of our brains and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Energy production. During times of fasting or calorie restriction, autophagy can help our bodies produce energy from stored fat. These are just a few of the many potential benefits of autophagy. As research continues, we are likely to discover even more ways that this incredible process contributes to our health and well-being. While autophagy is a natural process that happens continuously in our bodies, there are ways to upregulate or activate it further. This can be particularly beneficial for enhancing the health benefits associated with autophagy. Several methods have been shown to stimulate autophagy, including fasting. Perhaps the most potent activator of autophagy, abstaining from food for a certain period forces the body to tap into its internal recycling system. Exercise. Physical activity, especially high-intensity exercise, can trigger autophagy as the body responds to the cellular stress and energy demands. Calorie restriction. Reducing calorie intake without malnutrition can promote autophagy by mimicking the metabolic effects of fasting. Ketogenic diet. This high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet forces the body to burn fat for fuel, a metabolic state that also stimulates autophagy. Incorporating these practices into your lifestyle can be a powerful way to enhance your cellular health and potentially reap the numerous benefits of autophagy. However, it's important to approach these methods with caution and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant lifestyle changes. Section 5. Fasting, a powerful trigger for autophagy. Fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious, spiritual, and health reasons. In recent years, it has gained significant attention for its potential health benefits, with autophagy being a key player in these benefits. When we fast, our bodies are deprived of their usual source of energy from food. This triggers a cascade of metabolic changes, including a significant increase in autophagy. This makes sense from an evolutionary perspective. When food is scarce, our bodies need to find a way to conserve energy and resources, and autophagy provides a way to do this by recycling old and damaged cellular components. The duration of fasting required to activate autophagy varies from person to person and depends on factors such as age, health status, and metabolic flexibility. However, studies suggest that even relatively short fasts, such as 16 to 24 hours, can significantly increase autophagy levels. Fasting, when done safely and appropriately, can be a powerful tool for boosting autophagy and improving overall health. However, it's crucial to approach fasting with caution, especially for individuals with certain health conditions or who are taking medications. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended before embarking on any fasting regimen. Section 6. Exercise. Putting your cells through a workout. Exercise is known for its numerous health benefits, from improving cardiovascular health to boosting mood. But did you know that exercise can also activate autophagy? Just like fasting, exercise puts stress on our cells. Muscles require more energy, and the body experiences temporary oxidative stress. This cellular stress acts as a signal for autophagy to kick in, helping to repair damaged proteins and organelles within the cells. The type and intensity of exercise that effectively trigger autophagy are still being investigated. However, studies suggest that both endurance exercise, such as running and swimming, and resistance training like weightlifting, can induce autophagy. By incorporating regular physical activity into our routines, we can not only improve our fitness and well-being, but also enhance our cellular cleaning processes, contributing to long-term health and longevity. Section 7. Calorie restriction and autophagy. Calorie restriction, which involves reducing calorie intake without malnutrition, has long been linked to increased lifespan and a lower risk of age-related diseases in various organisms. Autophagy is believed to be one of the key mechanisms behind these benefits. By mimicking the metabolic effects of fasting, calorie restriction triggers similar cellular responses, including an increase in autophagy. When we consume fewer calories, our bodies become more efficient at utilizing energy stores and recycling cellular components. However, it's important to note that calorie restriction should be approached cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Severe or prolonged calorie restriction can have adverse effects on health. Finding a sustainable and healthy approach to calorie intake that aligns with individual needs and goals is crucial for harnessing the potential benefits of calorie restriction and its impact on autophagy. Section 8. The ketogenic diet. Fueling autophagy. The ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet, has gained significant popularity in recent years for its potential weight loss and metabolic health benefits. Interestingly, the ketogenic diet can also activate autophagy. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the ketogenic diet forces the body to shift its primary fuel source from glucose to ketones. Ketones, produced by the liver from fat, become the primary energy source for the brain and other organs. This metabolic shift, known as ketosis, mimics the metabolic state of fasting and triggers many of the same cellular responses, including increased autophagy. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of the ketogenic diet, its ability to activate autophagy adds another layer of intrigue to its potential health benefits. Section 9. Autophagy, a fountain of youth. Autophagy, with its remarkable ability to cleanse, repair, and rejuvenate our cells, has sparked considerable interest in its potential role in promoting longevity and combating age-related diseases. While it's not a magical fountain of youth, the evidence suggests that autophagy plays a crucial role in healthy aging. By enhancing autophagy through lifestyle interventions like fasting, exercise, and dietary modifications, we may be able to support our body's natural cellular cleaning and repair processes, potentially delaying the onset of age-related decline and promoting a longer, healthier lifespan. However, it's important to remember that aging is a complex process influenced by numerous factors. Autophagy is just one piece of the puzzle. A holistic approach to health, encompassing a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and social connection, remains essential for healthy aging. As research into autophagy continues to unfold, we can expect to gain even deeper insights into this fascinating process and its implications for our health and longevity.